Pranams to everybody. This is Jagdisha Olikal from Bangalore. Based on the planetary condition and position as of date 18th December 2021, there are some predictions are being made. Request all of you to be little cautious in those predictions because it will help us to come out of major problems if we are really cautious, and prevention is better than cure. That is the one which we need to always look into that. During this period from 18th December 2021 till 17th Jan 2022, the pandemic diseases, just viral infections, that is infectious disease, will definitely increase. And actually these viral infections, be it a corona or a combination of corona and Omicron, or the new versions of the viruses, definitely would emerge. And they should have been triggered, in fact, as per the astrological analysis, 8th of December 2021 to till 17th Jan 2022. But its impact would be there for another 2 to 3 months. So it is always advisable to take care by sanitizing ourselves, maintaining the social distancing, avoid going to the parties or organizing the big parties and functions. It is better to avoid at this point of time because it is for our good cause only. And those who are already having some, what do you call it, as a suffering like wheezing or chest congestions or a fever or whatever it is, kindly consult the doctors without any further delay. This is my sincere request to you. See, government can help us to expedite the facilities, whatever it is really required. But most of the times, it is we have to take care of ourselves. So if I suffer, I need to take care of myself only, because nobody else will come and help me out. So it is better that we have to take care of ourselves. And based on the planetary conditions here with us, the accidents will definitely increase. Road accidents, fire accidents, and your vehicle can get the fire, it can catch the fire. Whole bus can get the fire at all, without giving any reason. Without any reason, it will definitely catch the fire. Suddenly, it can catch. So there could be a chances of having the impact or the devastating impact due to the water, that is nothing but cyclone effects. So aeroplanes also can crash, or helicopters can crash, and ship can also sink during this particular time. Let us be careful. War-like incidents could definitely emerge. There is a chance. So communal clashes, for silly reasons, it can erupt. It will be there or prevailing over till 17th Jan 2022. Let us not indulging ourselves in such activities. And the major incidents, as I was telling to you, that cyclones are very predominant, not only in our country, in other countries also. Definitely it will have. The countries which are coming under the northeastern part of our India and southwestern part of our India, the countries, definitely there will be major impact due to the either what do you call it, a cyclone, or there could be some military activities can take place, or the landslides or the earthquakes can definitely happen. So those countries also will have to be a little careful about. And the northeastern part of India and southwestern part of India will also not exception. Is not exceptional. It is also possible to have these type of risk factors. What I feel is that the military has to be alert. Be it a navy and be it an army, there is a land. We need to be a little careful because in the borders, the flame can erupt. There could be chances of having fights, the major fights. It's always better to take care of the military as well as the navy part is concerned at this point of time. The entertainment world, as Shukra has been associated with Shani, so there could be an ups and downs can be there. It's more or less here and there, it's stable. But there is a little risk in the cinema industry also, so they need to be a little careful in releasing cinemas during this particular pandemic situation, and as well as during this till 17th February 2022. Sorry, 17th January 2022. The diseases like lung disorders, blood and bone marrow disorders, diabetic and heart-related issues, chances of erupting these cases are more. it is always advisable, those who are already been suffering from some of these type of symptoms, please consult your doctors, take care of the required medications to take care of yourself. Another important thing is that during this particular time, the legal matters would definitely erupt. So do not sign any legal papers or avoid the legal matters till 17th Jan 2022. And this could be a major impact to the lagnas. There are certain lagnas are there here. The major lagnas, the people who are belonging to the Makar Lagna, Vrishab Lagna, Mithuna Lagna, Simha Lagna, Tula Lagna, Vrushchika Lagna, Dhanur Lagna, Kumbha Lagna, they need to be little careful about it. The remedies, what they can chant is that the remedies, the chant, let them chant the Lakshmi Narasimha Swami mantra, Mahamrutyunjaya mantra, Subramanya Stuti. This would definitely help them to come out of major issues. Those who are already suffering from the heart-related issues, they let them chant the Aditya Hridaya. That would definitely help them to come out of it. It will save them to the greater extent, in fact, to speak with. Those who are already been suffering from the, what you call it as diabetic, let them chant the Dakshinamurti Stuti. That would definitely help them to reduce the sugar level to a certain extent, all along with the medications what the doctors have been prescribed. This, I have released it in the interest of the public, and this is my sincere efforts. And thank you so much for listening to this. And if possible, I request you to subscribe to this channel so that the valuable information would be shared across. So that would definitely be benefited to the larger group of people. Thank you so much.